Delicata, back in this noisy studio full of constant interruptions, as if what I'm doing has no bearing whatsoever, for the final, and hopefully last ever, installment of the series, A Summer Look. I have helped so many on their fashion journeys, and now I must rest and recuperate after discovering just how many of you out there are beyond all hope. Today's guppy that I will be turning into a fashion shark is actually not an adventurer at all. In fact, he avoids it like the plague that I'm sure he is carrying. Please welcome John Farmer.
Howdy, ma'am. John Farmer. How do you do? Oh, I got that for you. Just gonna. How do you do?
Well, I do declare I am generally very disappointed in your attire. Mr. Farmer, was it? Tell me, what hole did you dig and then claw yourself out of to be here today?
Well, I guess I'd dig just about any hole that'd have me. But, tell me something about yourself.
About me? Well, no one's ever asked me that before. Well, I'm a fashion expert, obviously, and I am an elf, and I have always been an elf, and I have very high standards. But this is about you and your bad fashion choices. This isn't about me.
Maybe it should be.
You have to stop doing that.
Stop doing what, ma'am?
That whole disarming thing. It has to stop.
Ma'am, I am but a simple farmer with no military training. If you stuck a knife up to my throat and threatened my life, well, I couldn't disarm you if I tried.
Well, it has to change.
Alright, I'll give it a try. For you.
Let's start again, shall we? Why are you here? What is it? What can I do to help guide you along your fashion quest?
Well, I don't really do much questing anymore, but, I mean, there's a lot of different things you could help me out with.
Well, what did you have in mind, I wonder?
Well, if you work with clothes, you know, I work on a farm, and clothes get pretty dirty.
Yes, they do get dirty.
Pretty grimy. Bale hay a lot. I chop firewood pretty regularly, so I get quite sweaty.
I do. Could really use some wicking.
Yeah,
Sincerely, we can't have you
you squirted on me.
getting sweat out tonight. To the closet!
Boom, closet.
Well, yes it is. Now, how would you describe your style?
I guess you're looking at it.
Yes, but how would you describe it?
Neutral?
Huh. I would call it chaotically inane.
I'm not really sure what either of those words mean, but it sure doesn't sound like a compliment.
I assure you it is not. Now, what would you pair with something like this, shirt?
Probably, you know, some pants, maybe some skivvies.
Oh.
Maybe not.
Oh, thank the gods for that. Do you have anything less viciously boring?
Well, I guess my closet's not the most exciting thing you've ever seen.
Please, if it were any less exciting, my heart would stop from the mundanity.
Is that so?
Yes, Yes, that's so.
What's your heart doing now?
Oh, it's barely beating.
Is that so?
Yes, that's so. And it will continue to be so until I save you from this chasm of dullness.
I wouldn't mind being saved.
Well, that's what I do. I save people from their bad fashion mistakes.
What's your heart doing now?
Well, everything on the pile. Well, I really do hate to end this series on such a hopeless case, but see, there really was no saving John Farmer from himself. He'll just have to go through life with a negative fashion score.
Hey! How do you like your eggs?
Oh, with just a dash of paprika.
You sure not fertilized?
Oh, too late. Just a hopeless case.
John Farmer. What delicate hands you have.
Have very high standards. Bad fashion choices.
Well, maybe it should be about you and me and some other bad choices.